Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of constantly interrupting your cleaning sessions to refill or empty your vacuum's water tank? I know I was, until I discovered the vacuum cleaner water tank by HLJEGCMH. This game-changing product has been a total lifesaver, and I'm excited too. With its high capacity of 0.6 liters, you can clean for longer periods without stopping, and the extra storage means you can tackle larger areas without interruption. The tank is also incredibly easy to disassemble and clean, keeping your floor dry and mess-free. One of the things I love about this product is the ease of setup. It's simple and reliable, and the fact that it's designed to work seamlessly with your vacuum equipment means you get optimal performance every time. The water tank is also easy to remove and replace, making daily maintenance a breeze. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among cleaning enthusiasts. In real-life use, I've found that this water tank makes all the difference. The sound of the vacuum gliding smoothly over the floor, the feel of the cool water flowing through the system, and the result of a sparkling clean floor all combine to make cleaning a much more enjoyable experience. Plus, the fact that you can control the water volume means you can tailor your cleaning to the specific needs of your floor, whether it's delicate hardwood or sturdy tile. Overall, I highly recommend the vacuum cleaner water tank by HLJEGCMH. It's a simple but effective solution that will take your cleaning to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.